literally nothing better in the world than freshly made, homemade bread.
Also, word of the street is, these pita breads are so puffy, they make Sean Combs look flat. Right, more importantly, for this recipe, we are making homemade pita breads, and also we're collaborating with our good friends at the Refugee Council, who do absolutely essential work all around the world, but especially here in the UK, supporting refugees. So if you want to find out more about their work, head into the description. We'll include some links to their website and social media channels. And if you can, please do support them, because like I said, their work is so important, and there are refugees all around the world who are in desperate need of our help. So do what you can.
So about these pita breads, they are super simple, and we use really easy to find ingredients, and you can make them using your very own hands, which is incredible. And there are some tips throughout the video just to help you along the way. So without further ado, let's roll.
Further ado.
Right, let's get to it. So we're gonna start by making a simple bread dough, very easy. Bread flour, fast action dry yeast, some salt, a little bit of sugar, and then we're just gonna use a wooden spoon to combine that, make sure it's evenly all distributed, and then straight in with some tepid water, so easy. And then a tablespoon of olive oil, and again, back in with a wooden spoon, giving it a stir, combining the dough together. It might be a little bit sticky to begin with, but stick with it. Oh, no pun intended.
Okay, tip number 1, dust your work surface very sparingly, because the more flour you add to the work surface, the drier your pita will be, and that means that you might get a flat pita. And nobody wants a flat pita, like this one over here.
Yeah, boy!
Now we need to knead it. Woo!
Hey, bad dad joke.
So we're gonna knead it for about 10 minutes. Try not to over knead it, because you'll be left with a really tough dough. Also, this is really important, this step, because we wanna activate that gluten. So pop it into a lightly oiled bowl, and we're gonna prove it for about 1 hour until it's doubled in size. We usually leave it in a kitchen cupboard, somewhere that's not too warm, not too cold. And when it's ready, lightly punch out that air, and then we're gonna slice it into 4 pieces. Right, this is the fun bit. Get your hands involved and really shape those balls into lovely round circles. And now we're gonna prove it one more time.
What did you prove this time?
Very funny. And this is a really important step, guys, because this is gonna add to the flavor, and also it's gonna add to that volume and help achieve that puffy pita.
So, okay, we are ready to go with the rolling. Do you remember back at school that, uni,
School?
we used to eat pita and hummus was basically the
my
order of the day.
goodness.
Every single day, everyone loved it. So we are now rolling our pittas. You can roll it into any shape you want. We're going for a classic oval shape that we find in the supermarket, but you could go round as well.
Oh, why not?
Yeah, I think I might do that next time, actually. So once you're ready, they're about ½ centimetre thick, pop them straight onto a paddle, and then we're gonna transfer them to a hot tray, and it's straight into the oven. And now this is the time, fingers crossed, that they puff up, fingers crossed. Next tip is get your oven as hot as possible,
Yes.
whack that oven up.
We're talking hot.
The hotter the oven is, the more likely you're gonna get fluffy pittas. Not like this flat fart.
Oh, look at
Piece
the
de
puff.
resistance. The puff is perfect.
That puff
They're
is real.
Golden colour on the outside. They're crispy on the outside,
Yes.
soft on the inside.
And now there's
look
only
at that.
one thing to dip it in.
What is it?
Oomsie.
Jam. Oh. And of course, serve it with falafel and salad. Boom. Pita bread done.
Oh. Boo, 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 boo.
What did John Paul say? Well, what did Pita done?
That's Sean Paul, not Sean Combs.
Who's P. Diddy?
P. Diddy is Puff Daddy. Sean Paul
what
is...
is Puff Daddy? Yeah, fine.
I want to get busy. Yes, you can use these pita breads to dip in hummus. Also, you can just use them for falafel wraps or any other wrap that you want. They are super versatile. Again, really easy, and just get cooking, guys.
One more use. If you've got an annoying boyfriend, you can just put his face like that. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And as usual, comment below with any questions, any... Just
Definitely,
make
and don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Every single Sunday, we're gonna be back here bringing new videos. That's about it, really. We'll see you next week.
Peace. I don't really care what people say.